Okay. I have sent some exercises. Two exercises I have sent. The first
Mhm.
one is you have to complete with the verb être. In the last class, we did the verb être,
Yes, ma'am.
P-Q-A-L-A-L-A, and the second is the verb avoir. Okay,
Hmm.
j'ai, tu as, elle a. So you have to complete the two exercises. Okay, that, and then I have sent you two, three sheets that we'll be doing today. So I'll first start with the nationalities.
Ma'am, one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Can you please share me that PDF? I mean, I have these PDF
Mm-hmm.
of Etre and Avua, but the thing is, like in that PDF you wrote na कि je suis means I am, and vous avez means something and something.
Yeah, yeah.
So I wanted that PDF if possible, or maybe I you can share me the recordings and I can do it by myself.
Yeah. See, the recordings will be shared to you. Today I have talked to sir. The sir will be giving you your like your password and your ID and all. Your portal will be made, and then you will be getting the recordings of all the like previous classes and all. So you'll be able to see them.
Yeah, that way I can edit also. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Uh, okay, I'll start with the nationalities. Okay. So these are the nationalities. Okay, here now nationalities we have masculine and feminine both, singular
Yes.
and plural also. Okay, so now
Got it.
here what we need to keep in mind, the thing is you need to just know the masculine one and plural and feminine, singular and plural we can make it ourselves only.
Yes.
Now, see, these are the les pays. Les pays means countries. Okay, these are the countries I've written all in French. I'll tell you one by
Yes.
one. And these are the masculine nationalities. Then, in the masculine ones only, when you add a S, they become masculine
Feminine.
plural.
Okay.
And
S. Okay. My bad.
yes,
Yeah.
they become plural. Then, in masculine singular, when you add E, they become
Hmm.
feminine singular.
Feminine.
When you have written feminine singular, when you add a S to feminine singular, they become feminine plural.
Plural.
Yes. But there are some rules with which we need to remember. First of all, if your masculine singular already has a S in end, we don't add an extra F as for the
Pseudo.
second one.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
don't
Got
add
it.
an extra S over here. Same
Hmm.
for this also. If it's already end, if your masculine is already ending in letter E, as in the third case, here
Bridge.
we don't
Yeah.
add an
Hmm.
extra E in the feminine singular.
Right.
Okay, then For most of the nationalities, we just add a E to make it feminine. But if your nationality is ending in IEN, okay, IEN, what do we do? For the feminine one, we double the N and then add E. Only
Hmm.
for IEN.
Okay.
Okay, when your nationality is ending in IEN, we just double the last consonant and then add E.
Italian. Yeah.
Okay, all the IENs. Now, land is India. Okay, this is
Land.
and yes, and see, they both the pronunciation is same, and here the pronunciation is same for these both. Only in writing it differs.
You mean masculine and feminine? The pronunciation is same.
No,
Uh, no.
no, masculine singular and masculine plural the pronunciation is same.
Okay.
And feminine
Okay.
singular and feminine plural the pronunciation is same. Only in
Okay.
writing
Got
it
it.
differs.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Land, it's India.
Land.
Hmm. Andia,
Land.
Andean.
Andia and Andean.
Yes. La France,
La France.
Français, Française.
Français. Française.
R we don't pronounce. Français, Française.
Français. Française. Says.
La Belgique.
La Belgique.
It is Belgium. Sorry about the noise of the parrot. Belge.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
It is
cute.
Belge
Yeah,
only for
Belge.
all four. Same
Belge. Okay.
pronunciation. Belge.
Belge.
L'Allemagne.
L'Allemagne.
This is Germany. Okay.
L'Allemagne.
Yes,
Okay.
Germany. Almo, almond.
Almo and almond.
Yes. La Suisse.
La Suisse.
Suisse. Same for all.
Swiss.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. L'Angleterre.
L'Angleterre.
L'Angleterre is England.
Okay. Um,
L'Angleterre is England. Anglais,
Angleterre.
Anglaise.
Anglais and Anglaise.
L'Italie.
Okay. L'Italie.
Italia, Italian.
It, Italia and Italian.
L'Espagne,
L'Espagne.
Spain. Okay.
Hmm.
Spaniol, Spaniol. Same pronunciation.
Spaniel. Okay.
Spaniol.
Spaniel.
Le Danemark,
La Denmark.
Danois, Danoise.
Danois and Danoise.
La Suède.
Ma'am, do we pronounce la and le same way? I mean, la.
No, Le Danemark, La Suède.
Okay. La Suède.
Okay, this is
Suède.
Sweden. Okay.
Okay.
Suédois, Suédoise.
Suédois and Suédoise.
Les États-Unis.
Les États-Unis.
Okay, how will you pronounce this?
Um, American
Yes, this is
and American.
America,
Yeah.
American,
Okay. That's America and this is American.
American. Hmm.
Okay.
Le Canada,
La Canada. American.
Canadien, Canadien.
Canada and Canadian.
Le
Canada.
Mexique,
La Mexique.
Mexica, Mexican.
Mexica and Mexican. Okay.
La Russe,
La Rus.
Russe, and the
Rus.
same thing, Russe.
Rus.
La Chine,
La Chine.
Chinois, Chinoise.
Chinois and Chinois. Chinois? What
Chinoise.
was feminine? Chinoise.
Le Japon.
Wow. La Japon.
Yes, I told you this. O-I. Wa.
Yeah.
We
Wow.
did Roi. Okay.
Wow.
Japonais. Japonaise.
Ja- Japonais and Japanese.
Larhabi Saudi.
Lehrabi. Lehrabi. Saudi.
Saudi. Saudiya. Saudienne.
Saudia and Saudian. India.
L'Australie.
L'Australie.
Australia. Australian.
Australian. Australia and Australian.
Le Kuwait.
La Kuwait.
Kuwaitien. Kuwaitienne.
Kuwaitia. Kuwaitian.
L'Iran.
Tehran.
Then, how will you pronounce?
Uh, Iranian and Iranian.
Yes.
Something like that.
Irania. Iranian. Okay.
Hmm.
La Jordanie.
La Jordani.
Jordania. Jordanian.
Jordan. Jordania and Jordanian.
Yes, that's Jordan. Okay.
Yeah.
Les Emirats
La.
Arab Uni.
Where's Emirat Arab Uni? Am
Then,
Emirate and Emirian.
yes. Emeria. Emerian.
Okay.
Last one is
Emiria.
UAE. Okay.
Yeah. So what is this? I think this is very common. IEN everywhere.
Yes. IEN. The
So
ones
is it
ending in,
IA?
sorry?
Um, no, I was just asking the pronunciation of IA.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
mean, I mean
Yeah.
IEN.
EN.
EN.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So, for
Yeah.
suppose now how to write these in sentence. I'll take any. You don't have to learn all this. Okay. Just
Hmm.
learn the masculine one. When you go further, you'll be able to make masculine plural, feminine singular, and feminine plural by yourself only. Now, for suppose if you want to write about Australia, uh, okay. For example, uh, you write about a person. For example, you write about yourself. Okay, you write J'habite
Hmm.
à
Australia.
l'Australie. Okay. Je suis
So in
Australien.
Australian.
Okay. Now, if
Australia.
you're adding for a female,
She's is Australian.
Australian.
Hmm.
Now we come to plural. Ils sont Australiens. Feminine plural. Elles sont Australiennes.
Hmm.
So we write this way.
Okay.
Okay, so for whom we are writing, we will use the nationality
Song.
for that person. If it's a feminine,
Okay.
we will write the feminine nationality. If it's a
Hmm.
masculine, then we are writing the masculine nationality. If it's a
Got it.
plural, then it depends whether the plural is used for masculine or feminine. Yes, one thing more. If in a sentence, for example, two names are there, Jack, A, uh, Maria,
Mary.
these both are very common names. So, you have to give a nationality over here. Um,
Uh,
you will give a masculine plural nationality over here. Okay.
by default.
Yes.
I mean, like for example, there is Jordan, La Jordan. That's a female, right? So for
No,
that
no,
case
no, no,
also there
no.
would be
No,
masculine.
no, no, no. It doesn't depends on the country. No,
Country. Okay, got it.
it doesn't depends on the country. No, it
Hmm.
depends on where you are placing it. See,
Hmm.
if if in a sentence one is a masculine, one is a feminine, you will always use things for the
Masculine.
masculine one. Yes,
Masculine
by
plural.
default.
Yeah,
Okay.
got it.
Like in computer, many things are by default only, no? Same thing.
Mm.
Yeah.
Jack and Maris sound Japanese,
Yes.
something like that.
Hmm. Okay, this I have already shared in the group.
Hmm.
These are already shared. Okay. Now, what's the second one? Yes, accents.
Yeah,
Okay, now the topic that I'm going to do will help you in your pronunciations.
and that is important actually.
Yes, going to help you in your pronunciations.
Hmm.
The accents.
Less accent? Less accent.
Yes,
How do you pronounce?
les accents. Okay.
Less
Um,
accent.
accents are just as you can regard as the matras in Hindi. Same,
Okay.
same. Okay, because without the matras, there's no pronunciation in Hindi. So same
Hmm.
here also, there is no pronunciation in French without the accents. So in general, there are total five accents in French. Okay, and all the five accents they are on certain letters only, not
Mostly
on all the
vowels.
letters. Yes, there is only one accent that is on the consonant. Otherwise, all the accents are on the vowels only,
Okay,
and they are
right.
specified. And yes, luckily we don't have any exceptions in the accents.
Great.
Yes, there are no exceptions in the accent.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Oh,
that's a relief.
yeah. Otherwise, it
Hmm.
would have been a problem if there was an exception in the accents. Okay. The first accent is l'accent aigu. So this accent is called aigu. So
Okay.
this is the
Argue.
way we write it. You must have seen it on many of the words. We have come across this accent.
Yeah, cafe.
This accent. We have come across this letter. Okay. So as
Yeah.
you can see, this is only and only placed on letter E.
Okay.
No other letter.
Hmm.
Only and only placed on letter E. The pronunciation is A. So see,
A.
the pronunciation of this letter E in French is E. When you
Hmm.
pronounce this letter, the pronunciation is E. But
Oh.
when this but when this pronunciation but when we place this accent on this letter, the pronunciation
Hmm.
changes to A.
A. Okay.
which means that which means see, I have told you that generally what happens, we don't pronounce the last letter, sometimes we don't pronounce the last two letters, but yes, if any of the five accents are there on any of the last letters or last two letters, so we have to specifically pronounce that. That is a rule. Okay,
Got
we
it.
have to pronounce that. For example, see here, if the accent would not have been on this letter, the pronunciation would have been kaf.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
since the accent is there, we pronounce it as cafe.
Hey,
That A sound is coming from this only. Canapé. This A sound is coming
canapé.
because of this only. Here,
Pe. Ete.
ete,
Ete.
coming because of this only.
Hmm.
So we will
Right.
remember if this thing is coming anywhere, the pronunciation is A.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second one. This is grav.
Grav.
Grav. Yes, grav.
Okay.
Now, this is placed on three letters. One is A, E, and U. Now, it is just the opposite of accent aigu. Aigu is this way, grav is this way.
Yeah.
Just the opposite direction. Now, see, A
Hmm.
and U, the pronunciation will not change. It will remain
Okay.
as we pronounce it. A and U. It will remain
Okay.
as it is. But the pronunciation of this letter will change. It will change to A.
What?
So, here A and A.
A.
Yes, A. Pronunciation is
Okay.
also just the opposite. That is why I compared it with Hindi because we have the matras A and A in Hindi. So
Hmm.
A and A. We'll see the word. So it's always on the alphabets A, E, and U. The pronunciation of
Hmm.
the alphabets A and U doesn't changes, but the pronunciation of E changes to A. Like for example, tre. S we are not pronouncing. There
Yeah.
is no accent on S. We're just pronouncing this C, thre. That is why
Tre.
pronunciation
Tre.
is changing thre, a, thre.
Okay. Tre.
Here, adama. Here it is a only. Adama. Here, u. Pronunciation is not changing. U. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
OU combined
Right.
gives you the pronunciation of U.
Okay.
There are
OU.
certain
Like
pronunciations.
normal OU.
Yes, normal OU.
Mhm. Okay. Uh, do, uh, do we have to always pronounce this, or they also act as a silent sometimes, like
Never,
silent letter?
never, never,
They
never,
never act like.
never.
Okay.
See, accents mean only that you have to pronounce it as that is why I am repeating it again. That is why I compared it with matras, as the matras are there no Hindi in sorry in Hindi. Wherever the matras are there, you have to pronounce and never silent. For example,
Okay.
if I write this,
They mean. Hmm.
so you'll pronounce this as tar. But if I write this, you'll not pronounce it as tar. You have to pronounce it as ter. Then if I
There.
add
There.
this, you have to pronounce this as tera.
There.
So same way the accents are there. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Coming to accent three. This accent is on all five vowels, and there is no change in
Mm-hmm.
the pronunciation of any word, any letter. This remains a, this remains e, o, and u. Okay, then this is called the big name is circumflex, but a short name is chapeau. So
Chapeau.
common name
Hmm.
chapeau we use. Okay, we use chapeau. Now, same thing, wherever these will come, we will specifically pronounce this letter. For example, see, chateau. We are pronouncing it. Chateau.
Chateau.
Fête. Il.
Fête.
Hotel. We are pressing on the letter. Bien sûr. Pressing on the letter. Little bit pressing on the
Like
letter.
we actually pronounce it on alphabets. We
Yes.
pronounce A as A, E
Hmm.
as A,
Hmm.
I is I. What was I?
E,
I
E,
don't remember exactly.
E,
E
E.
E. Yeah. E. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, yes, I was talking about this one. Sedi. See. Now this accent is there. So Sedi.
Answer. Seti.
I will tell before beginning this.
Cough.
EAU. The combination of EAU will give you the pronunciation of O. Always.
Oh. Okay.
You can note it down somewhere
Chateau.
if you want. Yes. And one
Uh,
thing more I would like to say, Prashant, even if you get
yes,
the
ma'am.
of course you will get the recordings and all, but try to make your own notes. Okay?
Okay, got it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
make your own notes. Okay, so the pronunciation of EAU is O always. Now, the combination of letters IL or I double L is always Y, like E kind of a thing. E, E. So
Said
Seti.
Sedi.
Yes.
Sedia.
This
Okay.
is the only accent which is on the consonant, and that is letter C. Only letter C. You must have seen in français, the word français,
Once.
like
Gasso.
this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Français, garçon. The pronunciation is S. Sir. Okay, when this accent is there, the pronunciation becomes sir. But there is one little change
Saba.
over here. If 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 letter E or I is there, then the pronunciation will remain sir only, but we'll not add the accent. For suppose, see over here, there is E over here. Okay, here, here,
Okay. Right.
E is there. So we are not adding the accent, but the pronunciation will remain so only.
S.
Yes.
But
See,
it was
garçon,
equal.
école. No, sorry, pronunciation.
Yeah, will be S. Okay, actually, that is not an example. Sorry, maybe.
Pronunciation will change to
Okay.
ka. École,
Okay. Equal.
carrefour, glass, ici. K or S both are there. Sometimes K, sometimes S. This will come by practice because there is no uh, thing for exception. So only here there
Hmm,
is le garçon, la leçon, école, carrefour, glace, ici.
got
Then
it.
fifth one, trema. This accent is on all the vowels, but mainly you will find on E, I, and U only. It's on A and O also, but mainly you will find like A and O are rare. E, I, and U are very common. There
Okay.
is no change in the pronunciation.
Coincidence.
This accent is used when you have to break the word into two parts. And it will come when the two vowels are used together. It will
Mm-hmm.
not come like this. Like see, for
No,
example, this
Venoal.
two vowels together and is placed on the second one. See the third point. It is
No.
used when two vowels are used together and is placed on the second one. So
Second
this
one.
is pronounced as Noel. It breaks the
Noel.
it breaks the word into two parts. Coincidence. It's breaking the word into two parts.
Coincidence. Um,
Breaking the word into two parts.
like pronunciation sounds different, right? I
Yes.
mean, co.
Coincidence.
What was this one? Lo Noel.
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 Noel. Christmas.
Okay. Okay.
Clear? Accents are clear?
Yes.
Okay,
God.
so I'm sending you another video, sorry, another link. So please join from that.